Okay guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make a mask since um, they're running out of masks to buy, and the governor has mandated that in order to go to grocery stores we must have a mask. I can't find a mask anywhere, so I've decided to just try this and make my own. So I think the supplies that you're going to need: the sock. Doesn't have to be any special sock. I know around the house the dryer seems to eat all socks, so I know you have some mismatched socks, or one sock here, one sock there. So just a sock, a pair of scissors. Doesn't matter what kind. These are my sewing scissors, but I'm not going to use any sewing. This doesn't require any thread. This doesn't require any. It's really quick. A few steps and that's it. You'll have your mask. So like I said, you need a sock. You need scissors, and you need paper towel to act as a filter to block some of the coronavirus if you come in contact with it in the store or whatever. But yeah, so get some real sturdy paper towel. A Bounty seems like it's really sturdy and will act as a good filtration. So you have that. All right, so here we go. So first thing we're going to do is cut the toe part of the sock off. Just cut it off. Oh, sorry. Cut the toe part off, right? And put that to the side. And then you're going to cut the opening of the foot of the sock off. Okay. Pretty simple, huh? So now you have this. This is what it looks like. This. It has a little opening like that on each side. See that? Okay. So now you're going to, on each side, you're going to make a slit. And when I say slit, I mean you're going to cut. You're going to cut right across here to about here. You're not going to cut all the way across. You're going to cut about here. I'm not using any measuring tape or any thing to measure it because this is really quick. I just wanted to go through this really quick so you'll have something. So you just cut there. So I'm going to show you. Take your sock. Look at that. Just cut. Leave about half an inch or so, or less. And do the same thing for the other side. Make sure you're doing it in the same direction on each side. You want your slit to be at the top here, like this. So this is how it looks. Well, it looks kind of like a shirt, a baby doll shirt, but wait till you see the finished product. It won't be a shirt, it'll be a mask. Homemade mask, DIY, do it yourself, really quick mask. Okay, so this is what you have after you have the slits, right? So you take that and put that, you see the openings? All right? And this is the part that you're going to put your filter in. So now you have your paper towel, right? And you're going to fold your paper towel through like a 3-fold, like this. So you have your paper towel fold like that. See how that's folded? Okay. And kind of measure it with your sock. So I'm gonna cut it like here. There you go. And cut it here. There you go. And put that to the side. All right, guys. So here we go. Take your filter. Put your filter in there. All right. See how this is going? Pretty simple. Tomorrow you will be out in the store, grocery store, getting your essential things with your new mask. see how that is? You see you have the filter here, and then you have here. If you want, you can close this off with some glue. I mean, if you just don't want to sew, you close that off with some glue, or you can just leave it open like that. But here is how it's going to work. All right, here's your mask. You see how this goes around your ear? All right, it's real comfy. It's real soft, you know, like a sock, a soft material. It goes around your ear. There's no pinching into your skin, no ball in your ear. You know how some people are making masks and their ears are like this, you know, which is very uncomfy. But with the making a mask from this sock, it has a real soft and it fits right perfectly behind the ear. Look at that. Perfectly behind the ear. And then this is something really quick until you're able to get a regular mask. But this is my sock mask.